Greetings and welcome to the Sociology of Leadership. This is section 11.2, and today we're talking about types of white-collar crime. And we're going to put these into three categories. First is occupational crime, the most common. This is with leaders and with everyone else. Corporate crime, which is primarily with leaders, and financial crime, which is with leaders. So when we look at occupational crime, this is crime that's committed for personal gain. So think of the employee theft of computer or time or pens or paper. Basically, it's embezzlement. It could be fraud with customers, charging for work that's not done. It could be fiddling with expenses, embezzlement, or tax evasion. The most common type of white-collar crime is occupational crime. But let's move to corporate crime. Corporate crime is much bigger and much more difficult to prosecute. This is the violation of a criminal statute by a corporate entity or by its executives, employees, or agents acting on behalf of and for the benefit of that corporation. The culpability is greatest when company leaders are shown to have had advanced knowledge, and corporate liability is unique to the United States, and it's very difficult to prosecute. So this corporate crime could be offenses against employees or investors, consumers, the public, the state. Very difficult to prosecute. The motivation is usually a rational solution, such as a Ponzi scheme. This is where a financial leader takes money from investors, reports a great gain on their investment, but actually uses the money for their own personal gain. The means is ideology. It's structured immoralities of irresponsibility and lack of law enforcement. And the opportunity is low surveillance. So that's the motive, the means, and the opportunity for corporate crime. So why is corporate crime different? The offenses tend to be invisible. The acts or offenses tend to be very complex. There often is no one offender. There may be no victim, or there may be many victims. And it's ambiguous in how to prove it and the criminal intent. That's corporate crime.